We'll guide you through how to use Replit Figma for your design projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Replit website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the Create Replit button, which you'll find on the top left. In the template selection, type Figma in the search bar and select the Replit Figma template. This will automatically set up your project environment with everything you need to integrate Figma. Next, open a new tab and go to Figma's website. Log into your Figma account and open the design file you want to work with. In the top right corner of your Figma file, click on the Share button, then go ahead and copy the shareable link. Now, head back to your Replit project. In the code editor, locate the section where you need to paste the Figma link. This spot is usually indicated in the template documentation or comments within the code. Paste the Figma link you copied earlier. If your Replit template supports live updates, make sure the live preview feature is enabled. This way, any changes you make in Figma will automatically reflect in your Replit project. This integration allows you to work seamlessly by combining Figma's design capabilities with Replit's coding environment. You can further customize your project by adding code to interact with the Figma components, giving you full control over your design and development workflow. Don't forget to explore additional plugins or extensions that might enhance your project, as Replit frequently updates its features. And there you have it, a fully integrated design and development experience using Replit Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.